government's hospitals are run in Taliban areas. Do you think this system is a failure?
Yes.
The next day we meet the Taliban spokesman. This is the closest view anyone has had of how they run their territory in years. They remain a deeply controversial organization in Afghanistan, responsible for many deaths. But they claim their approach to governance has changed.
امارت اسلامي د ټولو مربوطه کارونو لپاره شعبې لري کمیسیونونه لري زیات کوشش شوی د هغه اداري نظامونه فعال شي تر خپل وسه پورې کوم ساحې سي امارت په لاس کې لري هلته د خلکو مشکلات حل شوي دي.
That evening we are taken to see what passes for nightlife in Musakala. Since the end of the Taliban's bloody campaign, some security has returned to the district. But free